This is CSS, one feature, offset path. It lets you take any element, a div, an icon, a dot, an arrow, and send it traveling along a route you define, a circle, a wave, a triangle, literally any path you can describe. And the part that makes designers stop scrolling. The element can automatically rotate to face the direction it's traveling, an arrow that turns the corner like it's actually steering. Here's exactly how it works. Two properties do all the work here, and once you separate them in your head, everything else is just variations. And it's what makes curved motion possible without keyframing dozens of position values by hand. The simplest path shape is circle. You give it a radius and a center point, and you get a perfect, mathematically exact orbit. Something that used to require trigonometry in JavaScript. 0 pixels is the radius. At center anchors the circle to the middle of the parent element, though you could anchor it anywhere, like at 50%, 30% for an off-center orbit. Real-world use cases, notification badges that pulse around an icon, loading spinners, the modern alternative to a static spinning border. And here's a detail that sells the effect. Stagger 2 dots on the same path using animation delay, and you get a constellation instead of a single dot. Reverse direction plus a negative delay. That's the trick that makes it feel alive instead of mechanical. Circle is great, but most motion in the real world isn't circular. It's organic. That's what path is for. You hand it an SVG path string, the exact same syntax you'd use in an SVG elements D attribute, and CSS will animate along that exact curve. That string is a cubic Bezier curve. M moves to a starting point. C draws a curve through 2 control points to an end point. You can draw this in Figma or Illustrator, copy the path data, and paste it directly into CSS. No conversion needed. This is the demo that gets the reaction. Polygon lets you define a path out of straight line segments between points, a triangle, a square, any angular shape. But the real magic is the property that pairs with it. Offset rotate auto. Without offset rotate auto, your arrow would travel the triangle but always point in the same fixed direction. Clearly wrong, like a car driving sideways around a corner. With auto, the browser calculates the tangent angle of the path at every single frame and rotates the element to match. The arrow turns the corner because it's actually steering. This single line, offset rotate auto, is the difference between motion that looks like a slideshow and motion that looks like physics. And that's all. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.